What's up guys, this is Aaron from Great Lakes RC, and I got the Trugified Typhon out today. Made a couple changes to it. I put some GKA chassis braces in. I went and got the version 4 sliding motor mount, mostly because I wanted to run this motor in it. This is an older RC Gearshop 4074 2150 kV motor. I wanted to run a little bit higher kV motor because I'd like to stick to 4S on the buggy. I also got the GKA servo mount. So we're going to run this. Just got done with work on a Saturday, so I thought I'd run the car, and I found a nice little spot to run, I think. Should also mention I'm running an 18-tooth pinion, so it should rip pretty good. Wants to balloon it up pretty good. The grass is like a speed bump. Looks like we're pulling a little bit here. Quite a train noise, huh? That worked out pretty nice. Nice. Oh. Looks like I'm getting a little drift in this thing. It's probably the tires. Oh! That's not good. That's what we call a ramp shaver. Nice. Battery moved. Big time battery moved. Well, that last landing was a little harsh because the Velcro came out from underneath here, and I don't have tools to move the battery tray, remove the battery tray and put that back in. And then also this screw right here is backing out. I got a ton of play right here. So I'm just gonna do a couple more speed runs. This will probably be a pretty quick video. That's why I was noticing trouble keeping it straight. Little 4S rocket. A little sketchy with that being loose. Alright guys, I'm going to call it. That's my Trugified Typhon 4S with 2150 kV motor. Catch you guys next time.